In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Podia. Whether you're looking to sell digital products, offer memberships, or host online courses, Podia is a great platform to get started with. It's user-friendly and offers a lot of versatility for creators, so let's dive into the process of setting up your account step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Podia homepage at podia.com. This is the main site where you'll find everything you need to start managing your digital storefront. Here you can explore their offerings, see customer stories, and get an overview of the platform's features. Once you're on the homepage, look out for the Sign Up Free button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy for new users to spot. Clicking on this button will take you to the registration page where we're going to enter our personal details. Now, filling out these details is crucial as it sets up your account and identity on Podia. You'll need to enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters usually helps increase security. Remember to use an email address that you have easy access to, as you'll need it for verification and communication from Podia. After you've filled in these details, you'll again encounter the registration form asking for some more specific information about your business or project. Here, they might ask for your business name and a little bit about what you're planning to use Podia for. It's helpful to be descriptive and accurate here, as this will be a part of your public profile on the platform. Once all the necessary fields are completed, the next step is to hit the Create Account button. Clicking this finalizes your sign-up process, and congratulations, you now have a Podia account. In some cases, you might be prompted to check your email to verify your account. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security and authenticity of your new profile. Simply find the verification email from Podia in your inbox and follow the link provided. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've set up your Podia account and are ready to explore the platform further. You can now dive into customizing your site, adding products, and reaching out to your audience. Remember, taking the time to get familiar with all of the features Podia offers can significantly enhance your online business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy creating and enjoy your journey with Podia.